In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Binance account with this complete guide. As we delve into this essential topic, I'll walk you through several straightforward yet crucial steps you can take to enhance the security of your account, ensuring your investments remain safe. First and foremost, enable two-factor authentication, commonly referred to as 2FA. To do this, navigate to your profile, then head over to the security section. Once you're there, locate and activate 2FA. This extra layer of security requires you to verify your identity using two different factors before gaining access. It might involve using a code from an app or a text message, adding a barrier that keeps would-be intruders at bay even if they have your password. Next up is the use of a strong, unique password. It's vital to create a password that's not only complex but also significantly different from those you use on other platforms. A good practice is combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it hard to guess. Avoid using easily accessible information such as birthdays or common words. Remember, your password is your first line of defense, so take the time to craft one that's truly robust. Moving to our third point, make sure you never share your account information. While it might seem convenient to share details with someone you trust, this can expose your account to unnecessary risks. Always handle your login credentials as sensitive and avoid writing them down where they might be easily found. Fourth, enable the anti-phishing code. What this does is add a personalized code to every email Binance sends you, allowing you to verify its authenticity. By setting up this simple feature, you can avoid falling prey to phishing attempts that might otherwise deceive you into revealing personal information. Regularly reviewing account activity is another prudent measure. Make it a habit to frequently check your account logs for any login or transaction history that seems out of place. Catching unusual activity early is key to preventing unauthorized access from escalating. A crucial but often overlooked step is to keep your devices and software updated. Head over to the settings of your devices and check for any available updates. Up-to-date software incorporates the latest security patches, safeguarding against vulnerabilities that can be exploited by attackers. Lastly, let's talk about checking your withdrawal whitelist settings. Go into the settings and review the addresses listed under withdrawal address. By keeping this list up to date, you ensure that even if someone gains access to your account, they can only transfer funds to your predefined addresses, protecting your assets from unauthorized withdrawals. Following these simple but effective steps will significantly bolster your Binance account security. Make sure you revisit these practices regularly to maintain a secure environment for your investments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to implement these tips today to keep your account safe and sound.